Hello everyone, welcome back to another coin collecting video, and today I'm going to be unboxing this 75 coin bag. Was that correct terminology? I think that is, I don't know, a lot of 75, not a lot of 75. That didn't make sense. I'm going to be unboxing 75 coins from this grab bag. So this is another grab bag that I got off of eBay. You can already kind of see it is packed with stuff. Normally with like bags that are like 38 to 50. I normally kind of hold them all in my hand and I just go through them really quick and lay them all out. But this is different because I'm going to have to grab straight from the bag. So with this, we'll probably have maybe a few Indian cents, Mercury dimes, stuff like that. Maybe a few Liberty V nickels, a lot of wheat cents, possibly. For some reason, they always put some memorial cents in them, just as kind of like fillers, just to say that it is like 75 coins. So, yeah. So let's go ahead and start off with a 1936 Buffalo nickel. Nice start on here. Okay. Date's pretty good still. Most of the time, these are very worn off because the date is raised and it's one of the highest parts on the coin, so that's why it gets kind of more like flattened a lot easier. Okay, so there's that. I'm gonna have to like have a lot of space for this. Okay, I'm gonna put that right here for now, and I'm gonna zoom in and out. Okay, well, I guess we're just going with nickels because I grabbed another one just straight out of the bag. 1937, still very good date. Now some other parts of the coin are worn flat, but still pretty good. Nice back still. 1937D. Okay, then we have a Liberty V nickel. See, I told you we may find some of these. 1902 Liberty V nickel. I love this design so much. Not in great condition, but still good for a grab bag when you don't know what you're getting. 1907. I almost said 1902 again. 1907 Liberty V nickel. The other one was in way better shape, but still, it's a Liberty V nickel. That's still good. Still exciting. Then we have 1953, so now we're kind of probably going to start going towards more wheat cents. That's a good wheat cent. Not the best I've ever had, but still not too bad. 1951 wheat cent from Denver, right there. We have there's two there. Hold on. 1943 steel penny from Philadelphia. That's a nice back. The front's kind of messed up a lot, but the back's a lot better than the front. Okay, then we have another 1943 steel penny. Wow. I mean, that's not. I don't even. That's an interesting condition. That is all I have to say about that. I don't even know how to describe that at all. Okay, 1990. I thought it said 1941. I was about to be so excited. 1991 Lincoln Memorial. I mean, good coin. It is still in circulation. Like you can easily find this, but still, I mean, it's a part of the grab bag, so you have to mention it still. 1959D, the first year they started doing the Lincoln Memorials on the back, so still in circulation, normal. I mean, so are wheat cents are still in circulation. But this, I mean, they're not making them, but still, you can find them. But this, 1965, I love these coins because they don't look like normal pennies. They're a lot more like orange, yellowish, which I love. I don't know why I love them. I don't know why I'm so fascinated with them, but I really do enjoy those. 1974, again, I thought I said 14. I was so excited for a second. 1974D, still in circulation, nothing special. Just kind of space holders, I guess. Okay, here's another wheat cent, 1928 from Philadelphia. Not the best condition, but still, wheat cent. So that counts for something. 1935 wheat penny. 1946 wheat penny. 1950 wheat penny. And another steel penny. This one It's also the front's kind of beat up and the back kind of like that's I don't know. It just looks really weird on camera. It's not flat right there. It's just really smudged. It just looks really different, I guess you could say. 1985. Again, I don't understand this, but whatever. It doesn't really make sense to me at all. Okay. Then we have a 1942 Mercury dime from Denver. That's in decent condition. That's pretty good. Okay, then last one in the holder, we have a 1890 Indian head. That's still pretty good back and a pretty good front. Clear distinction still. Not too many scratches, just a lot of like black smudges. So I don't know what causes that. I need to figure that out. But yeah. Okay, there's that. Now, we always have these types of things where they have them in these things right here. You see these? Like 25 wheat, 25 more, Memorial, and then some Jeffersons. So let's go ahead and do the Jeffersons first, mainly because most of the time there's nothing really that special found in them. So it's like, if you do them last, well, that kind of sucks because there's not really anything to find within them. Okay. 1964. That's pretty shiny. We're like verging on proof right here. But I mean, I'm touching it, so never mind. No, I'm kidding. That's not how it works. Well, it depends on how specific you want to get. Okay, 1964 D. That's pretty nice and shiny. Well, these are all kind of, well, no, the very end one's really bad. 1964 D as well. It's like the exact same. We have 1990. That doesn't even make any sense. 1939. Oh, whoa, we have a 39. That's really old. I believe that's the first. No, 1938 was the first year that they did this. And then a 1940D. Okay. So those are the Jefferson nickels. Wait, those are wheat cents. I want to look at the memorial cents first. Just, again, to take out climax because it's wheat cents. We already know what we're going to find in there. Just a ton of wheat cents. Nothing else. Okay. Yeah, pretty much exactly what I thought. I mean, there's like some nice ones, I guess, like 1960 in really good condition, 1961 in good condition. Everything else is just kind of here just because it's filler again. Like, it's just filler coins. But, still. Okay. 25 wheat cents. 25 wheat cents right here. Okay, what is the best way for me to talk about these? Just say the dates. 1950, 1950, a lot of 1950s. Okay, is there any old ones, or is it just gonna mainly be... Yeah, so those are all the coins we have right now. Go down a little bit. There you go. Those are the coins we have at the moment right now. But I have these wheat cents right here. So, 1950. I have a 1950. 1940. 1940. 1940. 1947. 1946. 1919. Here we go. 1919 right there. 1930. 1935. 1951. 1949. 1945. 1940. 1953. 1957. 1946. 56. 58, 47, 54, 50, 53, 20, and the last one, 38. So 19 and 20 were the two that were the oldest out of the Lincoln cent bag, like the individual bag. Or I guess it was actually the oldest Lincoln wheat cent. Or actually the only Lincoln cent. So yeah, there's not much left to say about this except, I mean, that's two Liberty B nickels, two Buffaloes, so a lot of wheat cents. Like, what is that, like 30? It's like 31. A lot of memorial cents, which sometimes actually can be hard to find, especially the ones in the 60s, like right here, and the early 70s I found are really hard. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I'm going to go ahead and link the seller in the description below. I'll also link my eBay, where I also sell coins and also other things. So yeah, go ahead and make me an offer, and I will respond relatively soon. I check every once in a while during the day, just random times. So yeah, definitely consider doing that. Comment in the comment section about anything, if you found like a really good deal on coins, or if you yourself have a coin YouTube channel, or if you collect coins, anything like that. Go ahead and leave the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy today's video, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more of these types of videos, royal hunting videos, and other types of numismatic videos. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day, and keep on collecting.